Welcome guys. In this video I want to be showing us how to install your MT4 or your MT5 trading app, and then how to make use of it. So for you to install your MT4 or MT5 trading app, you go to a Play Store if you're using Android. As a Play Store, and then you type MT4. Type MT4. This is MT4 typed here into the search bar, and then it's going to bring out this. And you click install. I already have it installed on my phone, so I won't install it anymore. And then this is MT5 here. Click MT5. It's going to be installed. Now when you install MT4, after installing MT4, it's going to open up here. You're going to see a place where it tells you to open account. So you click an account, you open it, and then it's going to bring you to this terminal. Now, how do you navigate the MT4 terminal or MT5 terminal? It's almost basically the same thing, just very slight changes. I'm going to also show you those slight changes on your MT5, but this is your MT4 terminal right now. So here is where you have the details. So if you have an account with another broker, apart from the MT4 broker, this is where you come to impute the account. You click on the box sign here, click on the box sign there, and then you log into existing account. Then you find a broker. I don't know what the name of the broker is, Xness or Hot Forex, whatever. So you log in there and you follow the procedures, and you put in your account. But for now, I have MetaTrader 4 demo account. So now, how do I remove all of these things from my MT4 terminal? I'm going to show us how to do that right away. You click on your screen, and this will come out. When this come out, you see this F area here. This F area here. Click on it, and then it's going to open the moving average relative strain index. There is an icon to your top right hand corner here, the delete symbol. So you're going to click, sorry, I don't know, right? So you're going to click on that symbol. Yeah, delete. I'm trying to delete it. Hold on. Okay, you click, yeah. When you click on it, it's going to delete. You delete them, and they are gone. So you can change the color of your candles too. I'm going to show you how to change the color of your candles. Alright, so for you to change the color of your candles, this is what you do. You come to settings. For you to change the color of your candles, you click here where you have the three bars there. And then you come to settings. Under settings, there are a lot of things here. Look at line type here, right? Just want to show you how to use the app. line type. You can change it to a line chart. Let me show you. See, your candlesticks have now turned to a line chart. Let's go back there again. Settings, line type here, right? Change it to bar chart. You see, you can go back there again. Settings. Remember this, please. Let's change it to candlesticks. See, these are your candlesticks. Now, let me show you. Let me explain to you what this symbol here means. This symbol here is where you have your quotes. Your quotes are all the forex pairs that you're trading. Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, USD CAD, USD JF, all of them. As many of them, you can add more. You can also remove, delete. I want to delete them. All right, so I want to delete this, 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 deleting this, deleting this. And also deleting, no, I'll leave this guy. I'll leave this guy. Yeah, you see they are gone. So I can open them up here. Here you have open chart, open order. This is where you place your trade. I'm going to show you how to do that. This is where if you tap on it, any of the pairs, it's going to show you where to open the chart. It's opening the chart of this guy for me now. You tap on any of the pairs, Euro USD is going to open. So here, this other side of your window, MT4 window, is where you have your terminal, your screen, your candlesticks. The green shows by the red candles. These green candles is your buy candles, the red candles are your sell candles, and all of that. So here, yeah, you have your balance, your equity and your free margin. And here you have your history. If you've taken any trade, it shows you the history. Here is news, you don't do that, and all of that. So let me show you how to change the color of your candlesticks. You come to this point there, and right there you change the color of your candlesticks. You come to settings, you come to settings, you scroll down, you find colors here, right? Click on colors. Now it's going to show you schemes, color on white. I don't want it to be color on white, I want it to be black on green on black. Foreground, I want my foreground to be white, I want my grid to be black, I want my bar up, that is your buy candle, to be, it was green before, let's say I want it to be white. Bar down, I want my bar down to be, let's say, yellow, right? And I'll leave the rest that way, and then I'm going to click on done. Now let's go to my chart window and see what it shows. This is your chart window. Yeah, so let's go to my chart window. Click on my chart window. You see, I've changed the colors. But I want to change them back because I don't like them that way. So I'll come back here, and then come to settings, scroll down, look for colors. Here you have colors, right? then I want to change them back. Foreground is white. Um, bar up, I want my bar up to be green because it's always green. And I want my bar down to be red. Beer candle. Beer candle is your sell candle. I want it to be red. Bull candle is my buy candle. I want it to be green. Alright, so I think I'm done. It hasn't changed. Oh, I did not save it. So let me do that again. Bar down red. Bar up green, remember green. Bear candle. This is the bull candle. I want my bull candle to be green. Bear candle. I want my bear candle to be red. And then see, yeah, look at all the symbols, objects, vertical line, horizontal line, trend line, blah blah blah. So I want to add rectangle, and then I draw my rectangle there. Right. If I want to delete it, I just have to press it and hold it. Once I press it and hold it, if you check up here, see, here is your delete. Yeah. So I want to delete it, and I want to delete it. Oh, where is it? Press and hold, and then delete is gone. So the next one is this guy. Dollar symbol is the pair you are trading. So if I click on it out, no, why it's not. All right, so it's where if you want to place a trade, an order. So I'll work on that. Let's say I want to place. These are your lot sizes. These are your lot sizes. Buy stop, sell limits, buy limits. I'm going to tell us what this buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop means in another video, or instant execution. So I want instant execution. So I click on instant execution. Under here, those are my lot sizes. So and in another video, I'm going to talk about what instant execution means, what lot sizes means, and how to work on this. So and let me use this lot size here. Just impute the things I have to impute, and I sell. Market is closed, so I can't enter into a sale now because market is closed. So that's basically how to work around your MT4 platform. Now let's use MT5. For those of us that have MT5, it's basically the same thing here. I want to delete all of this. All of this, I want to delete them. And if you remember, I said this is where you come to delete, to edit it here. Right? So I want to edit it, delete. I want everything. Let me add. I want to delete most of them. So see, all of them are gone. Oh, I actually deleted the right ones and left the wrong ones. So let me still delete. They are gone. Let me add the ones I want to add now. Euro USD, GBP USD. I'm adding it. DXY, I'm adding it. XEU USD, that's gold, adding it. And that's that. Okay. So opening it, yeah. So let me delete this USD rob. I don't need it. So delete it. Delete it. Go away. And it's gone. So basically, how you use your MT5 is how you use your MT4. But there are slight differences. Let me show you the difference between MT4 and MT5. In MT5, up here, look at, there are certain symbols you find that you don't find in your MT4. Let me show you how to use this. If you click on this one, if you click on that, right, something is going to disappear on your screen. These things will disappear. So let's click on it and see. Click on it, it's gone. Are you seeing what I'm doing? If you click on it again, it's going to reappear. They are back. The next one, if you click on this here, that's your timer to show you where to enter and where to place your stop loss. So the market is currently closed, so it's not going to work.